Hey everyone, I'm really excited to share something special with you today. My first book, A Beginner's Guide to Godot 4, has officially launched. This book is written for complete beginners to game development, or anyone who's just starting out with Godot 4. Even if you've never coded a game before, you'll be able to follow along. And if you've dabbled a little bit in programming or Godot, it'll give you a structured way to build up your skills step by step. Now you might be wondering, why pick up this book when there's documentation or YouTube tutorials already out there? Well, here's the thing. Docs and tutorials are great for looking up how to do something in the moment, but they often don't give you a clear path to follow. What this book does is provide that roadmap. It's a step-by-step journey where you're not just told what buttons to press, but you actually learn the why behind each choice. That way, by the end, you don't just know how to make one game, you understand the foundations to go and make your own. So, if you've been waiting and wanting to finally get into game development, or you've tried but got lost along the way, this book is for you. You can grab your copy now